Thirikari cia matura nĩ ihete thirikari nene thikũ 14 cia gũcokia kĩgĩna kĩa nyongerera kĩrĩa kĩeheretio kwaga ũguo marũgamie motungata mothe marĩa maheanagwo nĩ thirikari ici.
Council of Governors demands the immediate restoration of all the diverted funds to county governments to ensure uninterrupted service delivery, failure to which county governments will shut down its services in the next 14 days.
National government arbitrarily just waking up one day in the middle of implementing these projects and cuts them. What message are we even sending to the development partners as a country?
Maugite kweherio gwa kĩgĩna gĩkĩ nĩ mũhĩnga mũnene na gĩgũkorwo gĩgĩtwarĩrĩria thirikari cia matura hathara ya ciringi bilioni 34.4 mbeca iria cikũhotomia tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere wa thirikari cia matura.
What is the interest of the national government in ensuring that projects are not implemented in the counties using donor money? Because even when they don't include it in the budget and they cut it off, do they move it to other projects contrary to the conditions of the donors?
Ni kwa sababu tumefika mahali ambapo sasa hatuwezi kustahimili tena. Tunajua Wakenya wataumia wakati tumefunga counties, but lazima Wakenya wajue kwamba for now tuko kwa life support machine. Tumekuwa tuna pretend kwamba counties zinafanya kazi vizuri, lakini kuna matatizo mengi sana.
Mongereire ati thirikari ndĩrĩ na mũbango mwega na thirikari cia matura, makiuga ĩno nĩ njĩra ya gũtigĩrĩra thirikari ici nĩ ciahuka.
This blatant act is yet another attempt to systematically cripple service delivery across the 47 county governments, an affront to the devolution agenda as enshrined in the Constitution of Kenya 2010.
Meaning we are going to have stalled projects, 10 stalled projects for water, stalled projects for pipes, stalled projects in healthcare, unless we really don't care about this country.
So we are saying it is possible in the next few years to find Kenya having very few development partners who are interested in implementing projects here, because politics of the day that involves squabbles between national and county government are really interfering with the implementation.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Ikua wa Boshi.